Hello friends, today is magical practice day 7, the magical way out of negativity. If you are thankful in all situations, that is the best for you. But if you are not grateful for any situation in your life, then you are attracting negativity and you take things for granted. And when you take things for granted, by law of nature, you complain and you're attracting more negativity in your life and more things to complain about. So, when you're not grateful, you will not be given things which you require or which you want. Suppose you have lost a job. Now you're unemployed. So, if you go on complaining about it, then all the good things which are going to come in your life will go far away. And suppose if you find out the 10 grateful things in that current situation, you will see the magical turn in your life. Now, for an unemployed person, how can he be grateful for the current situation? He doesn't have a job, but there are things which you can be grateful for. Like you can say, I am grateful for the maximum time which I am having now, because now I am free and I can use it for my family. I am grateful for the spare time which I now have, because previously I used to work overtime and was overloaded with work. I am grateful that I have earned a lot of experience in so many years of my job. I am grateful that this is the first time I am only employed. I had my job throughout my life. I am grateful that there are many jobs and all new jobs are appearing each day. I am grateful that I am learning by the experience of giving interviews. I am grateful for going out and meeting so many people. So you see friends, there are so many things to be grateful for even in a negative situation. And now as he counts his grateful things, the law of attraction brings all the good things in his current situation and slowly the negativity moves out of his life. So when we are more grateful towards a negative situation, it slowly disappears and by a magical thing the solution appears. And we have to do one more thing. After writing down the 10 things for which we are grateful in a negative situation, at the end of the list we have to write thank you, thank you, thank you for the perfect resolution. And today one more thing we have to do, that for one day we have to take a challenge of being free from saying anything negative. Just check for yourself, in a day how many times you say negative things. So tomorrow you have to start your day without any negative word or thought. Suppose if you notice that you are saying something negative or you are thinking something negative, just say this thing, but I have to say I am grateful for, and finish your sentence. See, it's so simple. This is magical day practice 7. And as soon as you wake up tomorrow morning, you have to remember the day 1 practice. Count your blessings, your 10 blessings. You have to write why you're grateful for it, and at the end of each sentence you have to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And before retiring to bed, you have to take that magic rock in your hand or just close your fingers and feel the best thing which has happened today and say thank you. And my friends, for being a calm listener, you also deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.